Hello and welcome back to Scienceium. Today we are walking through one of the most fundamental cytogenetic technique, C-banding. C-banding is a powerful technique in cytogenetics that we use to highlight the centromeric region of a chromosome. By end of this video you will learn the exact protocol, the science behind it, and when we use it in a real diagnostic. So stay with me and don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's go.
C-banding is a differential staining technique that highlights constitutive heterochromatin, especially in the centromeric regions. It's especially useful in diagnosing paracentric inversions, satellite polymorphisms, Y chromosome analysis. You'll typically see strong dark bands on the long arms of chromosomes 1, 9, 16, and the Y chromosome. Before starting, you need to prepare the necessary solutions. Step 1. Aging slides. Air-dried slides should be aged for 1 to 7 days at room temperature or baked at 90 degrees Celsius for 1 to 2 hours. Step 2. Slide incubation in HCl. Place your prepared slide in 0.1 NaHCl at room temperature for 35 minutes. This helps denature proteins and makes chromatin more accessible. After 35 minutes, rinse with distilled water. Step 3. Barium hydroxide treatment. Incubate the slide in filtered barium hydroxide solution at 34 to 37 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Handle with care. Barium hydroxide is corrosive. After 25 minutes, rinse again thoroughly with distilled water. Step 4. SSC incubation. Place the slide in 2x SSC at 65 degrees Celsius for 1 hour and 15 minutes. This step reanneals DNA and sets the foundation for differential staining. After 15 minutes, wash with tap water. Step 5. Staining with Giemsa. Prepare a 1:10 dilution of Giemsa in PBS. Stain the slide for 10 minutes, then rinse and air dry. After staining, observe the slide under a light microscope at high magnification. You should see dark, clearly defined bands at centromeric regions, especially on chromosomes 1q, 9q, 16q, and the Y chromosome. Let's go over some common troubleshooting tips. Weak bands? Check your incubation time and temperature, especially during SSC step. Overstaining? Reduce Giemsa concentration or staining time. Uneven banding? Make sure the slides are properly aged and evenly treated. Always prepare fresh working solutions when possible and use clean, grease-free slides. And that's the complete C-banding protocol, from reagents to microscope. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more cytogenetics tutorials on Scienceium. Got questions or want us to cover Q-banding or NOR staining next? Drop a comment below.